So, this is the central station, Amsterdam Central, one of the most famously recognizable buildings of the city. And I did succeed in getting a night cruise tour. Apparently someone thought, and I agree, it would be a great idea to line up many of the city's bridges and monuments with colorful lights at night. So apparently in winter they do this. And keeping up with the tradition, the interior of the ship is very warm. I had to take all my coats off. I don't really know why they do this, but they do. So here we go.
Everybody have his earphones?
Yes.
Yeah. on the left side.
Good Lord, I couldn't wait to get out of that oven. Why do people do this? It's so hot inside there. It's like it's like 2 degrees Celsius outside here. And then go inside the boat and it's like 28. and you have to take every single one of your coats, and then you stay there hot, sometimes sweating. I have no idea why they do this. So, Amsterdam Central, the famous landmark. I arrived here from Rotterdam, but currently my advice regarding riverboats, and it's closed. It's almost to the point of being claustrophobic. It was completely crowded, cramped with people. So if you are lucky, you'll get seated beside a frail old lady or a skinny girl. But come on, we know you're probably going to sit beside the tallest, largest guy around. That's how it works. So they completely filled it with people. It was absolutely packed, and the view, the boat's kind of low, so you don't get to see outside very well. My advice, walk around the canals. You'll get a better view, it will be more healthy and much more comfortable. Or if you really want, perhaps rent a boat for yourself, or at the very least try to get an open one. That closed one is borderline claustrophobic. But great place to land to stay. Amsterdam Central. And this is pretty much one of the core parts of the city. I almost like the cold. If only could get somewhere between the cold of the walking tour and the warmth of the boat. That would be so much more comfortable. After spending 1 hour in that heat, it was almost comfortable to be outside again at 2 Celsius degree. Well, have a nice evening. I'm going to continue my journey to my hostel. I might visit somewhere else, but it's already more than 9 p.m, so I'm not really sure. So today I'm leaving my hostel early morning for winter at the very least, because I really wanted to have one last look at least at the parks and perhaps like the Art Museum or some of the other places. But this is my very